Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to print, assemble, and cut out the digital sewing patterns. We'll walk through the process step by step, so whether you're a beginner or not, you don't need to worry about how to start. All the essential information will be provided, so feel free to dive into your sewing project confidently. First, you'll need a PDF sewing pattern. I'll put the link in the description where you can choose from several easy patterns. Until the end of April, you can get a 25% discount with the code RECA25. You'll receive a PDF containing all other important information from material preparation to pattern symbols, along with another document containing detailed instructions for making the garment, illustrated for clarity. The sewing pattern is available in A4, A0, and letter formats. Choose the page size that your printer supports. Then select the size from the size chart that you want to sew. Each pattern includes seam allowances, and only one size can be printed at a time, which makes it easier and saves ink. Open the PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Reader or a similar PDF viewer. Print only the first page first to confirm the printing settings' accuracy. Ensure your printer settings are set to actual size or 100 scale for accurate printing. Set the orientation to auto, and then you can proceed with printing. Each first page contains a test square. Measure both sides of the square horizontally and vertically. If they are accurate, proceed to print the remaining pages. If not, return to the previous step. You'll need adhesive tape and a pair of paper scissors for assembling. Place the papers next to each other. To set up the order, there are typically two types of aids. Either each paper has a number and a letter. In this case, arrange the numbers horizontally next to each other while the letters indicate the rows. The small rhombuses will help ensure precise alignment. The other option is when the pages have half circles on their sides with numbers inside. In this case, always match up the pairs of numbers and arrange them accordingly. Trim the right and bottom edges of each page. First, assemble the pages row by row, always placing the left side to the right. Then glue the rows together, aligning the top row with the bottom. Cut out each pattern along the straight, continuous black line. Place the pattern pieces on the fabric, considering the grain line and following the layout guide. I prefer to secure the pattern pieces first, then trace around them, marking all necessary points. You can also cut directly along the paper for a simpler approach. If you're cutting through folded layers, always secure the fabric after removing the pattern piece to prevent shifting while cutting. After this, you can proceed with cutting and start sewing. Each pattern includes illustrated, written instructions, and a detailed video tutorial is also available. With these resources, each project can be easily completed. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. If you have any questions, feel free to message me anytime. Bye! Happy sewing! See you next time!